In front of me is POCO M8, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Passwords Manager. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down right away. When you're ready, hit Google. Then select All Services on the right and scroll to click on this section called Autofill with Google. Now select Google Password Manager and add any password by hitting Add Password over here. If you can't see this option, like I can't, that means that you never added a password before. You need at least one to add others manually. So to fix it, hit Settings at the bottom right corner. Now make sure Offer to Save Passwords option is on. Go back. You can leave Autofill with Google opened in the background and log in into any website or an app that requires an account. Wait for the pop-up to show. And when it does, hit Save at the bottom right corner to add this password to your manager. Then go back to Autofill with Google, hit Google Password Manager, and finally select Add Password to add any other one. Now you can input any website at the top or hit Select App and tap on a chosen one. Enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!